season is finally here. I'm really excited for Halloween. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I made these really aesthetic pumpkins for your home, for your dorm room or room. So let's just get right into it. So to get the pumpkin shape, you just want to tie your string around the balloon a few times, like I'm doing here. Then I put some tape over it to help it all stay together. After that, you want to untie the knot on your balloon and blow a little bit more air into it to make it go like a pumpkin, as you can see right here. And out of the papers, I made a little stamp. And I just repeated this process with my other balloon. Then I just went ahead with the paper mache. Paper mache is really easy. You just put on the wallpaper glue and put on little pieces of paper. And you just repeat that step over and over until you have many layers. And then your paper mache is strong enough to hold it all in shape. And when they were all dry, it turned out pretty good. Then I just went ahead and got some black paint and covered my entire pumpkin with black paint. And I did the same with my bigger pumpkin. And then I just let them dry for a few minutes. Then I just went ahead and got some white paint to paint the stamp of my bigger pumpkin. We're gonna make some zodiac signs on these, so I just googled zodiac signs and then it will pop basically right up. I'm gonna try to copy them, but I'm really bad at those. So I'm gonna do my best to make the best zodiac signs that I can make. I just put some dots on to represent the stars and then I took a line and connected them all. I did notice that I was really bad at doing this with paint because paint is so thick. So after that I decided to do it with my white pen that I got for school, that I don't use for school at all. So we're gonna use it for this DIY. It's really easy, just draw some dot and connect the lines. I really love zodiac signs, not only because they're so aesthetic, but just because I like to know people's zodiac sign. I'm a Pisces, if you haven't noticed already. But comment your zodiac sign down below so I know, because I would love to know. Then I just drew some random stars all over the place to fill it all up and make it more realistic. And then my zodiac pumpkin was pretty much done. I really love it. It's so cute and so easy, and I just think it perfectly fits my room and my aesthetic. For the second pumpkin, I picked up some decoration flakes from the Action. I'm also taking some Mod Podge. Mod Podge is a glue that when it's dry it will be invisible, so you can use it for this DIY. I really love Mod Podge. I really love working with Mod Podge. So I'm just taking the silver flakes and putting it on my pumpkin. This might take a while, but it's really fun. I'm just trying to give it this shower effect, so I'm putting a lot on the top and a little bit on the bottom to make it look like it rained silver flakes. And then my second pumpkin was done. I know these were very simple and easy, but I really like them. They add so much to my room and they just make me very happy. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and I will link a playlist down below with all of my DIY and fall videos so you can check that out. Subscribe to stay tuned. I make DIY and really aesthetic videos every single Sunday. So if you want to be notified whenever I upload, just subscribe down below so you don't miss anything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time.